Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Chrome avatar to picture. We are going to open our browser, there click on the profile icon and you will see the default image. Click on Manage your Google account. Now you're going to go to the section Personal Info. Here, click on the profile picture line. Click Add Profile Picture and then go to the tab from Computer. Click on the button, Upload from Computer, and select the desired image. Click Open. If you wish, you can adjust the image. Click Next and finally click on the Save as Profile Picture option. You will now see this image in your Google Chrome profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.